Hey, hi, hello. What is up, everyone? If you're new here, my name is Linnea, and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we can, we do sourdough, and we do fun recipes. And since this is, I'm uploading this. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna upload this and have it scheduled for Christmas Eve. So it is the day before Christmas that I'm uploading this. Which leaves there to be a little more time to make Christmas cookies. And we are going to do a fun sugar cookie recipe with these fun Christmas sprinkles that I found. So that's what we're doing today. But hey, welcome back. If you are not new here, missed you. And like I said, if you are new here and this is something that you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, that's okay too. Thanks for being here. So I'm not gonna yap. I will say, Happy Christmas Eve, Merry Christmas Eve, whatever you want to call it. I've got my jingle sweater on. We're feeling festive. Not all of our presents are wrapped. I need to go do that. So anyways, let's go make some fun Christmas cookies. Let's go. All right, in this bowl I have 1 1/4 cup of white sugar, and then I'm just gonna add 2 sticks of sort of soft butter. Like, it's not melted, but it's a little bit soft. And I am using salted butter because it's all that I have, so I'm not gonna add salt when it says to add salt in the recipe. It'll be fine. Basically, we're just going to take 2 sticks of butter and 1 1/4 cups of sugar, and we're gonna cream it all together. This is a pretty simple sugar cookie recipe, and it does make 16 large cookies. All right, to this, here, there we go. To this, I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm not measuring it. And then, oh my, there we go. And then I'm gonna add 1 egg plus 1 egg yolk. And I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but I do have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. All right, now let me see. All right, I have, in this very small bowl here, I have 2 1/2 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'm gonna slowly add it into this, bit by bit, and then we're pretty much done, besides rolling it out. Okay, so the recipe does not say to do this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna take these sprinkles that I got. We're gonna really Christmasify these cookies. I might add this whole bag. This whole bag is 3 1/2 ounces. I might add the whole bag. All right, this seems large. I just have my tablespoon out. Oh, yeah, this one is significantly smaller, so I'm gonna go with this. I did 8 per tray, and that's kind of what they look like before I put them in the oven. So I'm gonna put these in for about 11 minutes at 350, and we'll just see how they do. Okay, these have been out of the oven for maybe 20 minutes. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, those look good. Those look really good. And they're nice and golden on the bottom. I'm gonna have Jonathan try these. Alright, so I made Calvin a very small cookie that was not rolled in sugar. So right now he's gonna get a little piece of it. Can you say it? Good boy. Is it good? Yeah, must be pretty good. Hey, Cal. Was that good? Is it Calvin approved? Must be. Must be. Good job, bud. Jonathan's already eaten half of a... Well, you've eaten that and the other half of the one that I had sitting here.
Just like a quarter.
Oh, whatever. Yeah, sure. Are they nice and soft and chewy? Mm-hmm. You better say what you said earlier. Don't say it's a -2.
No. Just joking. No, I was saying, like, these remind me of, like, the cookies that you get in the tube of what you expect when you're, like, hungry at the store of what they would taste like. You know, like, the tube and you put them up. But then they're, like, the little tiny cookies and they're garbage. Yeah. These are, like, what you expect when you're really hungry. Yeah. These actually, like, the grown-up. I mean,
they're also, like, really big.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, they're, like
I don't...
Like the grown-up version of what you... It's like what the package visualizes, but you actually don't get.
Yeah. And you said you liked the sprinkles, right? Mm-hmm. You know what you said? Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're good. They're like nice crunch. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That was not in the recipe. I just went ahead and did that. So, I like it.
Oh, they're really good sugar cookies.
Mm-hmm. Well, now we have a ton of cookies because we still have the other ones that I made the other day.
Let's take them with us.
We can't give them to your sister. They're peanut butter. Not these ones.
No.
Whoa, Weston will eat all these. We can't give her the peanut butter ones, though. Well, I mean, she's smart enough. They smell like peanut butter. Anyway.
Let's just say they're peanut butter flavored.
Artificial. Mm-hmm. Anyway, I literally don't know what the next video is going to be because we have Christmas and all the things. So, we'll figure that out. Anyway. Jonathan, we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye. Yeah, you will. Bye.